Dom here from Essential RC. Thanks for tuning in for another flight test. So this is another one of those brilliant combos of a collective pitch helicopter together with a pre-configured radio transmitter. And this is from GooSky. This is their S2 Max. It has double brushless motors, direct drive motors. And it comes with literally everything you need, even comes with the battery for the radio transmitter. So let's take it out of the box, let's have a closer look. So the helicopter comes in this dense foam box. There it is. I think it comes in two colours. Is it this purple and green, I think. You've got extra stickers in there, the instruction booklet for the radio transmitter. I've got it with a couple of batteries, and these are GooSky's own brand 3-cell 750 milliamp hour batteries. Comes with some spares, although no spare blades as far as I can see, although I dare say you can buy those separately, and a mini battery charger. And also comes with GooSky's T8 transmitter. Had this with a couple of other of their RC helicopters, all pre-configured. The only thing I don't like about this one is that it's not entirely obvious it's not obvious at all sometimes, what the switches do, but it is very well detailed in the manual. So I'll have a good look at that to re-memorise that before I go for the first flight in a couple of moments. there you go, that's the GooSky S2 Max, which comes with the T8 radio transmitter. All you've got to do is charge up the flight batteries and charge up the lithium-ion battery via the USB port in the back of the in the top of the radio transmitter, and you're ready to fly. So on that flight I did admittedly just use stabilised mode, and that works really well, even on low rates in a little bit of wind today. But you know, after I've got enough confidence, I'll try it in the manual modes and try to do some aerobatics. So maybe the perfect helicopter for learning proper RC collective pitch helicopter flying. The link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. Thanks as always for watching Essential RC. If you're not subscribed, then maybe click that button now. But otherwise, see you again soon. Bye.